Hello guys, there are certain times where our case as an accused persons do not stand a chance on merits. In those kinds of cases, what we do is we try to find some procedural lapses by the police or other investigative agencies, and we use those lapses as a grounds to seek out bail or in remand applications. So today I will be discussing one such technical ground. So before we start discussing that remedy, let us understand the philosophy and history behind that remedy. So that remedy arises when a fundamental right under Article 22 sub-article 1 is violated. Now what that article says in plain reading is that the accused person shall be given his grounds of arrest as soon as he got arrested. Now what is the importance of this fundamental right? On plain reading you may not find that this article is very important. As per the Constituent Assembly, when grounds of arrest are not given to an accused person, then he cannot effectively prepare his defense for remand and thereby for bail applications, so that the accused person gets prejudiced from the beginning itself. The Honorable Supreme Court, through its beautiful judgment of Mihir Rajesh Shah versus State of Maharashtra in 2025, has put life into this article. The Honorable Supreme Court laid down an SOP for the police and the magistrate that they must follow, and when any action or inaction in contravention of that SOP is done, then the arrest is deemed to be violative of Article 22(1) and the accused is set at liberty. Now let us understand that SOP that Supreme Court has laid down in Mihir Rajesh Shah versus State of Maharashtra. So the first thing that Honorable Supreme Court has said that the grounds of arrest, which also includes the allegation against the accused person, must be provided in writing. Writing is non-negotiable. The investigative agency cannot take the defense of oral communication of the rights. Apart from it, the second thing is the grounds that are being given to the accused person must be in a language that he understands. So basically you cannot arrest a guy from Tamil Nadu and tell him grounds of his arrest in Hindi just to comply technically. You must tell him in the language that he understands. The third thing in this SOP is that the grounds of arrest in any case must be given before 2 hours of presenting the accused before the magistrate. Now, if any of these points are violated by the investigative agency, the arrest is deemed illegal and the magistrate has to set the accused at liberty in any condition. The beauty of this judgment is the magistrate is not allowed to look at even at the merits of this case. The magistrate will just see whether grounds of arrest has been supplied, no matter what your case is, whether you are an accused of murder, of UAPA or any other special law for the time being. The magistrate will not look at the merits of your case, the magistrate will just see whether the grounds of arrest has been supplied to you in the language that you understand, and at most 2 hours before the remand proceeding took place. If any act or omission took place in contravention with this SOP, then the accused will be set at liberty.